In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install TicketGo that support ticket system. So some features of this script are multi-admin and agent, email notification and email templates, live chat with agent, custom ticket form, search ticket by number, personal notes on tickets, facts and knowledge base. Let's look at the demo. So look at it. From here, I can just log in as admin login or agent login. To log in as the admin, I can just click here for the demo. This is the admin dashboard. So let me go back to my cPanel after purchasing the script. I will go back to my cPanel. For my cPanel, I will go to my file manager. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want to customize your script or you want to build or develop your TicketGo, please use the engage me link in the description to engage me to help you develop your script or customize your script. So next I click on file manager. Next I go to the subdomain I'll be using for this testing purposes. Here is it. I have already uploaded my script, so let me extract it. Extract files. To develop your ticket application, use the engage me link in the description to engage me, or to customize your script or to install your script. Use the engage me link in the description to engage me to help you develop or customize or install your script. So next I'm going to drag it down to make sure everything is in order. Then I close. This is the extracted file. Let me open it. I select or then move them to the root folder. Move files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Next I click on upon level. So let me copy my subdomain name. Open a new tab. Paste it there, then click on enter. Check requirements. Okay, check permissions. Everything is in order. So now I will go back to my file manager. Storage, I will change the permission to 777. Storage framework, storage logs. Let me do this one first. To 777. So storage, I open this. So I will go for permission framework, logs, then click on save. Now let me go back to my site. Framework logs test. Then next bootstrap cache. Up one level. Bootstrap. I open it. Then I give the cache a permission of 777. Save. Let me go back again. Resources lang. Up one level. resources. I open it. Lang, here is it. I give you permission on 777. Save. Public 777. Up one level. Public, yes. Change it. Give permission of 777. Save. Now let me go back to my site. Let me refresh it now. Okay, everything has been set. I click on configure environment. Form wizard setup. Next, I go to my database. Before then, let me, the name of the app, let me say ticket. Okay, localhost, yes, 3306. Now to create, I will go back to my cPanel to create my database. This time I'm going to database, MySQL databases. So let me name my database as site tutorial and site upload. Yeah, create database. I've successfully created my database. So next, let me click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create my database user. Don't forget to customize your script. Use the engage me link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script. Also to develop your mobile application or your web application or your ticket. Use the engage me link in the description to engage me for your projects. So let me slow down. This one I just created. That's why it is not, it does not have any privileges yet. So now I'm slowing down to create my database username. User. Next I click on create user. I've successfully created my user and my database. So let me click on go back. After creating my user and my database, what next is for me to add the user to the database. So let me scroll down. Yes, I'll make sure I select the one I just created. Site upload user. Site upload, add. Now I'm going to give all privileges to the user. All privileges. Scroll down to make changes. It has been successful. I've successfully given all privileges to the user. So let me copy the username. Yeah, copied it. Let me go back to my site. Database name, database username. But this is not what I use as my database name. This is what I use. Here is it. Next I click on install. So next let me show down the role admin already exists for Guard Web. Okay, so these are what I can use to log in. Click here to exit. Yes, accept all. From here I can just create a ticket, or if I want to log in as agent, I can go here. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to install your script or to customize your script. Use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script or to install it. Also, if you want to build or develop your ticket, or that's your web application or your mobile application, also use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop or build your application. Also customize it or install it. Thank you.